Hi, my name is Amy Longard. I'm a plant-based chef and nutritionist and a Kardish ambassador. I'm here today in Kardish and Barrhaven to share some nutrition tips and advice to help you elevate your health in 2019. A really easy way to do that is to have a selection of frozen veggies on hand just for that purpose. So I love having things like frozen kale and spinach. These are really easy to add to soups or stews or smoothies. I also love having things like broccoli, which you could easily throw into a stir fry, or even peas, which I just love mixing with rice and other veggies. Start with the basics, so things like having water with you at all times. I love carrying a water bottle around with me to make sure I'm well hydrated. Focus on getting better sleep, making sure to exercise. Once you're good at drinking water, once you're making sure to work on your sleep, once you're getting in exercise, 3 to 5 times a week, then you can build up and start doing those things that are maybe a bit more complicated. Just don't overthink it. For the new year, go simple, keep it basic, go with the things that we all know work, and you'll notice that your health will improve.